What's going on, guys? BitcoinGTR checking in, and I am going to give you a little preview of what it's like to start up a 2018 Alpha 16X GTR. Actually, let's pop the hood real quick. Let me grab the key. Let's pop the hood real quick. See what it looks like under the hood. You can see we got the carbon fiber seats. They weigh about 3 pounds each. You can literally pick them up and hold them in a pinky, kind of just like cuffing them like that. 6 pounds between the both of them. Let's take a look under the hood and see what's going on. There you have it. It's a 2018 Alpha 16X GTR. It's got the carbon fiber intake manifold. Badass. 4-inch intake pipes. Carbon fiber, of course. Built 4.1 stroker motor from, I forget the place name, but it'll come to me. But yeah, let's start this bad boy up, see what it sounds like. Alright, getting in's a little tight, but it's supposed to be a nice tight fit. Let's take a look. It's kind of the interior. It's got my race gear in the back there. Got the roll bar, roll cage. Pull that for the parachute. Let's start her up, see what happens. Got the coolant in the bottom left, engine oil temp, and the trans oil temp in the bottom right. This one has it a little differently, but I like this one. You get the boost in the top left, fuel flow, and torque split. Forget what Alpha has it tuned at, Alpha and induction performance. It's running on a Motec M150, so as far as how it's tuned, it's all pretty much locked. I can't touch it, but that's a good thing because I don't know shit about them, and it takes a lot of experience and whatnot to learn how to tune these the right way. Everyone says learn on a Honda Civic before you even try anything else, so I guess that's like the prerequisite to getting to this kind of stage. But what do I know? Of course, right now it's got 1,845 miles on it. It's currently running E85. Got one of those Escort Max 360s. This actually works pretty good. I mean, I haven't had any issues with it. Works pretty good. Hasn't got me really on any tickets, but whatever. Yeah, it's not bad. It's clean. It's what I like. But we're going to load this bad boy onto the trailer, and we're gonna get it to the body shop. Had an occurrence with my back right wheel falling off as I was driving, and yeah, I won't go over the company brand name or model, but it's a pretty well-known manufacturer in the space, and he's agreed to obviously refund me for the wheels, take the wheels back, and of course pay for the damage. I got a little of the fender rub from the tire. Paint kind of chipped off. I'll show you guys here in a second, but yeah, he's gonna pay for the tires that got messed up, the back right, so he's gonna give me a new radial. He's going to take the money back, and he's going to go halves with me on a new set of wheels from Top Speed Motorsports, and of course, you know, pay for all the body damage and everything. So that's not too bad. I could have asked for more, but I wasn't really trying to turn in a lottery ticket on the guy. He's been pretty cool. He did try to send me a check for what the shop paid for the wheels and not what I paid for the wheels, which I paid full retail for the wheels. And you know, it was a big discrepancy, but I sent the check back to him, and he's sending me the right amount. About $9,500 is what he owes me. So we'll get a new set of wheels. I'll pocket a couple bucks, and yeah, we'll get a new set of wheels on here, and we'll take it out, do some runs, and get some hits, get some videos in, get some kills. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna load this bad boy on the trailer, and we'll check it in a bit.